right now, AI has all the knowledge you need. All you need to do is understand those tools, and it can give you, because it has all the knowledge in the world now at the fingertips. All you got to do is ask it, what is it that I need to do? What are the specific steps? And it will respond back to you. And then you start saying, okay, what is it that I'm good at? Tell it, this is what I'm good at. This is what I like. AI can be able to respond to you and says, you know what? Based on what you like, maybe these are some recommendations. And then you you go for the next step. Okay, so based on your recommendations, I select this path. Tell me how to start a business. It will give you step by step. So that is like an advisor that will transform your job, your business into being successful. And that's the opportunity that AI has right now.
And that is a perspective that we should look into. I know as an employee based or working in a traditional aspect of it, people are scared of it. People are nervous about AI. But in the business mindset, I think we're changing it up a little bit different, because now we see unlimited information that we can get in just a small little prompt. So like you just mentioned about the business, hey, how do you build a business? How do you do this? So that takes a lot of time of researching, reading articles, videos, and etc. Right? Now that you're moving forward into this, do you think the future of AI will be improving for business entrepreneurship? Do you think that might help for building new entrepreneurs? Or is it something that people are still going to be more in a traditional aspect of it?
It is going to fast forward your business because, again, it's going to give you whatever you ask for it. One thing is that you really do need to learn a little bit about what those tools are, right?